Welcome to Info Spark Zone. Look up. It feels still, doesn't it? Peaceful. But that stillness is a lie. Right now, at this very second, something colossal is rushing toward us at 110 kilometers per second. It's not a meteor. It's not a comet. It is an entire galaxy. This is Andromeda, our enormous neighbor. It sits 2.5 million light-years away, but gravity has locked its gaze on us. We are on a collision course that has been set since the dawn of the universe. But hold on. When you hear the word collision, you think of a crash, violence, fire. The truth is much stranger. If the sun were a marble, the nearest star would be another marble 100 kilometers away. Because space is so incredibly empty, when these galaxies meet, the stars won't smash into each other. They will pass through like ghosts. It's not a car crash. It's a cosmic ballet. The force at work here isn't impacted's gravity. It acts like a slow curator, stretching and pulling the galaxies long before they ever touch. It's a process that takes billions of years. About 4 billion years from now, the sky will change. The first sign won't be an explosion, but a distortion. The perfect spiral of our home will begin to twist under Andromeda's weight. As they swing past one another, gravity will pull long streams of stars outward. These are called tidal tails, cosmic ribbons stretching hundreds of thousands of light years into the dark. While stars don't collide, gas clouds do. As they compress, they wake up the galaxy. A starburst era begins, millions of new stars igniting, lighting up the merger like a celestial celebration. And what about us? What about our sun? Amazingly, we will likely be fine. The solar system is so small and tight that we will stay intact, drifting through the chaos like a life raft on a gentle ocean. We won't stay where we are, though. Gravity might fling our sun into a new, wider orbit, moving us to the quiet suburbs of the newly forming galaxy. If you were standing on Earth looking up, the night wouldn't be dark. It would be filled with the glowing core of Andromeda, growing larger every night for millions of years. Eventually, the constellations we know will vanish. The sky will become a mosaic of blended light, a chaotic masterpiece painted by gravity. Deep in the core, the true heavyweights meet. The supermassive black holes of both galaxies will find each other, sinking toward the center. They don't merge instantly. They spiral inward for millions of years, losing energy to the sea of stars around them, inching closer in a death spiral. When they finally touch, they merge into a single, monstrous entity, sending gravitational waves rippling across the fabric of the universe. After the chaos, silence returns. The messy streams fade. The furious star formation slows down. The galaxy takes a deep breath and settles. The beautiful spiral arms are gone. In their place is a giant elliptical galaxy, vast round ball of ancient stars. Astronomers call this future home Milkdromeda, a name that remembers where we came from, even as we become something new. By this time, the rest of the universe will have expanded even further away. Milkdromeda will be a lonely, brilliant island of stars in an increasingly dark cosmos. The universe doesn't destroy, it transforms. It is patient, gentle, and vast. If you enjoyed this drift through our future, like and subscribe to Info Spark Zone. Let's keep exploring the quiet dark together.